Hey there, dear woodcrafts enthusiasts. You're back at Decor Ideas, your go-to channel for stunning decor and woodworking inspiration. Today's woodwork project idea is about creating eco-friendly woodworking. Build sustainable and stylish furniture as craftsman. Ready to add charm and creativity to your home? Let's jump in and bring today's vision to life. In a world increasingly aware of its environmental footprint, the practice of eco-friendly woodworking is not only a moral imperative, but also a compelling opportunity for modern craftsmen. As the global movement towards sustainability gains momentum, the role of woodworkers has evolved from that of traditional artisans to influential agents of change. Creating sustainable and stylish furniture from eco-friendly materials is a meaningful craft that reflects responsibility, creativity, and forward-thinking, all while offering significant potential for income, innovation, and long-term relevance in a shifting market. At the heart of eco-friendly woodworking lies the conscious choice of materials and methods. A craftsman who embraces sustainability isn't merely building tables or chairs. They are participating in a global dialogue about responsible consumption and thoughtful design. Reclaimed wood, fast-growing species like bamboo, and sustainably harvested hardwoods form the foundation of this craft. Each piece of material carries a story. Perhaps it once supported an old barn, or it was rescued from construction waste. Rather than contributing to deforestation or landfill overflow, eco-conscious craftsmen transform these forgotten fragments into stunning, functional art. This creative reuse brings a unique character to the finished product. Imperfections in reclaimed wood, knots, grain patterns, weathering, aren't flaws. They are features, tokens of time and resilience that imbue every piece of furniture with authenticity and soul. For customers, such details tell a story that mass-produced items simply cannot. There is an emotional and aesthetic depth to sustainable woodworking that appeals to conscious consumers looking for more than just function. They seek connection. And the demand is growing. Today's furniture buyers are more informed, more concerned about environmental impact, and more willing to invest in products that align with their values. Terms like handmade, upcycled, and sustainably sourced now carry significant weight in purchase decisions. This has created a valuable niche where craftspeople who prioritize eco-friendly practices stand out, commanding both respect and premium pricing. In this way, eco-friendly woodworking isn't just good for the planet, it's good business. The stylistic possibilities within sustainable woodworking are anything but limited. In fact, working within constraints often fuels greater creativity. Designing furniture from reclaimed or naturally fallen wood pushes a craftsman to think beyond standard templates, resulting in unique, modern pieces that combine rustic charm with contemporary minimalism. The blend of old material and fresh design creates a compelling contrast. Rustic beams shaped into sleek dining tables, or weathered floorboards reborn as elegant wall-mounted desks. These pieces fit beautifully in modern interiors, where clean lines and organic textures reign. Eco-friendly furniture is especially prized in urban and minimalist design settings, where people want fewer but better items, objects that are not only visually appealing but also meaningful. A wooden bookshelf made from salvaged timber doesn't just hold books. It becomes a conversation piece, a reminder of conscious living. For the craftsman, this means every item created has the potential to serve a dual purpose: utility and advocacy. With each table, bench, or shelf, the message is clear: sustainability can be stylish. Beyond material choices, eco-friendly woodworking emphasizes waste reduction, energy efficiency, and sustainable processes. Hand tools or low-energy power tools reduce electricity usage. Sawdust can be repurposed for compost or pet bedding. Finishes made from natural oils or beeswax replace harsh chemical stains and sealants. In essence, the workshop itself becomes a reflection of sustainable values, a space where ethical creation is practiced with every cut and polish. If this video inspired you, why not inspire others too? Subscribe to Decor Ideas and share this video with friends and family. Let's spread creativity and make every home more beautiful with simple woodcrafting. Don't miss out on our next project. Hit the bell icon now. This commitment to sustainability also translates well to content creation and community education. Craftsmen who document their process, sharing how they source materials, reduce waste, or repurpose old furniture, are positioned to build loyal followings on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Viewers are not just inspired by the finished products, but by the philosophy behind them. A well-crafted tutorial on turning old floorboards into a kitchen island not only builds brand authority, but also fosters a culture of mindful making. Furthermore, teaching others to embrace eco-friendly woodworking can become a powerful income stream. Workshops, online courses, and ebooks allow seasoned craftsmen to pass on their knowledge, empowering a new generation of creators while also supporting their livelihood. These educational ventures align perfectly with the growing desire for DIY learning and sustainable living. People are no longer satisfied being passive consumers. They want to participate in making and shaping their environment. As eco-conscious living becomes more mainstream, opportunities for collaboration and growth expand. Interior designers, architects, boutique hotels, and green home developers are constantly seeking furniture makers who understand and prioritize sustainability. A craftsman with a portfolio of sustainable furniture stands a good chance of forming long-term partnerships and tapping into larger, more lucrative projects. From staging homes to furnishing eco-lodges, the demand for handcrafted, sustainable furniture is steadily rising. Of course, choosing the path of eco-friendly woodworking is not without its challenges. Reclaimed materials can be inconsistent. Sourcing responsibly can take time and effort. But within these challenges lies a deeper reward. The craftsman who perseveres, who leans into the imperfections and adapts with resourcefulness, ends up creating not just beautiful objects, but a legacy. A legacy rooted in respect for the material, for the planet, and for the enduring value of intentional craftsmanship. There is also a personal satisfaction that comes from knowing your work contributes to a better world. In an age where so much production is fast, cheap, and disposable, choosing to slow down, work with care, and build for longevity becomes a radical act. It is a return to roots, a way of working that honors the rhythms of nature and the dignity of labor. Each project becomes a meditation in balance, form and function, tradition and innovation, purpose and passion. Eco-friendly woodworking allows craftsmen to exist at the intersection of art, ethics, and enterprise. It is a space where one can make a living without compromising their values. It is proof that sustainable choices are not sacrifices, but gateways to deeper creativity, stronger community, and greater fulfillment. The opportunity of creating eco-friendly woodworking furniture is both timely and timeless. As a craftsman, embracing sustainability is not just a wise business decision, it's a powerful statement of integrity. It shows that beauty can be ethical, that design can be conscious, and that success can be measured not only in profit, but in positive impact. In every piece made with reclaimed wood, in every sustainably finished surface, the craftsman leaves behind more than a product. They leave a promise to craft with care, to tread lightly, and to create a world where sustainability and style walk hand in hand. Thanks for watching the video until the end. We hope today's budget-friendly woodworking projects ideas as a beginner inspired you. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next decor and woodworking project ideas. See you soon with another amazing idea, and in the next video, happy crafting!